right now? What is this? Am I in a Broadway show? Darcei. Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch back at it again with another video. And we're back again with the Savage X Fenty hauls. Time to get sexy up in here. Before y'all ask me, Darcei, where'd you get your wig from? I grew it myself. Okay? This is homegrown, sweetie. I don't think my hair looks like a wig, does it? I guess that's kind of a compliment, isn't it? You know? Oh, it can't be real. It looks too good. It's too long. It's too luscious. It's too big. It's too wide. It's too strong. It won't fit. It's too much. Too tough. Sorry. What was I talking about? Savage X Fenty. So today we're doing another Savage X Fenty haul. It's gonna be a really fun one. They have all of their amazing sales going on for Black Friday and the holidays. And so you guys should definitely take advantage of that right now. Of course, you can get everything that I talk about in this video today in the links in the description. And you guys can sign up for their VIP program, which means that you will be getting free shipping on your orders. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, free shipping. In this day and age and this time that we are living in, free shipping is the most important thing in the world. And if you want to take advantage of all of the big discounts that are going on right now, make sure you click on my link, girl, okay? If you guys aren't aware, have been living under a rock, or haven't seen any of my other Savage X Fenty videos, then shame on you, but I will introduce it anyway. So Savage X Fenty, relax, please. So Savage X Fenty is a lingerie brand started by the pop icon Rihanna. So they've got everything from the top tier sexy lingerie down to the comfy cozy wear that I have on right now. And they even just started a new men's line as well, which I recently sent my man and he gave it rave reviews. And what I really love about Savage X Fenty is that they're such an inclusive brand. From their size range to their marketing, everything is just mwah, chef's kiss. I love going on the website and seeing bodies that look like mine. So even a girl like me gets to be a model. Come shopping with me. All right, let's hop onto the Savage X Fenty website and see what they've got going on right now. Ooh, Megan, yes, looking good, girl. Hold on, is that Normani? What she got on? Oh my God, look at this bra, and it's in the blue cyber cafe that we love so much. Oh my God, I need to get it. Oh my God, guys. What else can we pair it with? What about this underwear? Oh my God, the way this blue color pops severely on melanin, I just can't. All right, what else can we pair it with, guys? Because I saw that frilly top before and I kind of like it. Let's see if I actually like it. Oh my God, I like it. Yes, we're grabbing this as well. Looks like it comes with matching shorts, so let's pick those up too. Yeah, we're definitely getting this set. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's see what else there is. Customers also viewed... Hold on. What is this? The cut, the color, it's iconic. Add that to the bag. Let's see what the people have to say though. Jessica says, savage and sexy. Loved this. Again, not the most flattering for someone with a short torso. Oh. Well, we're getting it anyway. This is gonna be a disaster. Okay, let's look for something a little bit more comfortable. What about this set? It looks really comfy, really cozy. Pretty sure I already have this in pink, but we're getting it anyway. Because I can. See, even look at the reviews. Melissa says, most comfortable panties ever. And she had to use like 6 R's, so you know she's not lying. Okay, what about this set right here? It looks way too sexy, so obviously we have to get it. Oh my God, it comes in green. Oh my God, guys, I'm freaking out. Look at the melanin. The melanin. You know what I love about Savage X Fenty? Their teddies. Their teddies are so cute. I want to buy all of them. They're so adorable. Okay, I wanted to grab something else comfy and cozy. So here's another set that looks really comfortable. Definitely gonna buy it. I think it comes with the matching booty shorts. So definitely grabbing these. Oh my God, they look so cute. And let me show you guys the most comfortable bra on the entire website. It comes in all these cute different colors and it makes everyone's boobs look amazing. I'm telling you guys, you need to pick this bra up. Even look at the reviews, okay? Even Danielle said it's a cute and sexy bra. Very comfy, great for any outfit. Boobs look awesome in this bra. And you know that Danielle would never steer you wrong. Also, of course, let's grab the matching panties. I definitely want the dark purple. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's go. Hello, darling. We're really starting off with a bang here. My goodness. As you can see, I have covered up my nipples for your protection. And also so YouTube doesn't kick me out of here. I'm sorry, YouTube, please don't hurt me. This set right here is a Savage Not Sorry lace set, starting off with this beautiful balconette bra that barely covers anything. Oh my God. And this beautiful matching lace underwear. I believe these are the cheekies. They look a little cheeky back there. There's a little cheek back there, a little something something. And this color, I think, is my new favorite color. Not only because it looks great on me, but because it's called Underworld Green. Can you imagine just walking into the underworld with this on? Hades won't know what hit him. I feel like this set is for a sexy night in, you know, which I will not be having in this lockdown. You know, for the future, which I probably still won't be having. But let's not talk about that. I really like the shape of this bra. It's in the balconette style. As you guys may know, that is my favorite type of bra style. And I think they keep sending it to me because they know that. I also really like this style of underwear because I feel like it makes my butt look good. Guys, I think my butt got bigger, dang. Wait, don't look. Just kidding, you can look. So yeah, this is one of my favorite sets right now, especially because of the color. And I did get one more thing in this color, so let's try it on. Bang! So this is the Savage Not Sorry lace teddy in Underworld Green, and oh my God. I love everything about this. I think this might be my favorite piece. The low V-neck covered in lace. The mandatory adjustable straps, which I have adjusted all the way to the top because I have no torso to speak of. The high cut bottoms, and it's showing my whole butt basically back here, so I can't really turn around. But you can just use your imagination. This is what I'm going into the underworld wearing. Hello, I have arrived. Going into the underworld, ready to roast these hot dog legs. Who wants a hot dog? Oh man, now I'm hungry. I should order a hot dog. This is also really comfortable because it's completely wireless, so the girls are just free, you know? We're just free flying here. Titties free, ass free, what more could a girl want? Honestly, I just can't get over this color. I just can't. It's just, and it's so satiny, and it's just, so silky. It feels so good. I can't stop touching myself. But honestly, if you're gonna pick up anything that I show you in this haul, this has to be on your list. It just has to be. But I have a piece that makes me feel even sexier, if you can believe it. Hold on. Oh my God. This is... What's going on? I'm gonna read you guys the description of what this is on the website. Product details: V-neck, wireless, not a wire in sight, moderate coverage. That is a lie. Moderate wear, oh my God. Front cutout, the whole front, just gone, just gone. Anyways. This is really sexy. And once again, my nipples are covered for your protection. So this style is actually very similar to the teddy that I just showed you guys, but the whole front of this one's cut out. Just a warning. Really enjoying the fire engine red color that's going on here, and would love to have some other pieces in this color. What color is this? Oh, it's the color Goji Berry Red. It's very holidays, you know? I could put on a Santa hat right now, and I could be sexy Mrs. Claus or something. I don't know. We could role play. Can I say that on YouTube? I don't think I can say that. Cut that out. Can you cut that out? Thanks. Okay, next piece. Okay, I lied. This is my favorite. I freaking love this bra. Look how cute this bra is. This is the Flocked logo unlined bra in dark purple, and this is one of my favorite bra styles. Look at it. It's literally perfect. It's perfect. Oh my God. Have you ever seen something so perfect? What is my hair doing? What are you doing? Stop. Stop being weird. These are those panties that are perfect for hiking up all the way here and pretending you're an Instagram model. And then you lean back really far, just like this. Oh my God. These are the cheeky undies. They're just a little cheeky back there, just a little cheek. And I'd say that this set is going into comfy territory. So if you're looking for something that's a little more casual, a little more comfy, this is what you're looking for. This is more of your traditional bra, so you can wear it every day. It's very comfortable. It's got underwire to support the ladies, but it is still very see-through, so it's got a little something, something, you know? It's got a little something, something for everybody. It's your little in-between, you know? But this is one of my favorite sets to wear in general. It's really comfortable, really supportive. I love the color. There's really nothing to complain about. I'm literally standing here trying to think of something to complain about and I can't. The only thing I can complain about is my hair. What are you doing? Okay, let's put on something a little bit more fun. You guys know I look good in blue, so I had to. Wait, what is this? This is the Lacy, Not Racy set in Cyber Cafe. And I don't know why they decided to call it that, because it's definitely racy. More like lacy and racy. Am I right, ladies? So this whole thing is basically like this beautiful floral lace material. It's very comfortable, quite sexy. And if you want to spice it up even more, you can put this on top. Oh my god, it's so cute! You can, of course, wear these by themselves as well. But it has like this little short set. Look at it, look at her go. And the top is my favorite. It's so cute. It's so pretty. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. This is like a really cute, flirty set. You could even wear it to bed if you want. And the top has adjustable straps, of course, and also these cute little bows. I just really like this set. I really like these shorts because they've got this split down the middle here, and I think it's very flattering on my hot dog legs. Hot dog. Okay, I think I'm ready to relax now. Let's get into something comfortable. Whew. So this is the ruched front cami with the matching booty shorts. Literally, they're called that. They're called the booty shorts. And this set is so comfortable. This is the most comfortable set out of the bunch, hands down. It's so soft. Oh my god, I could just pet it. Oh. The top is really comfortable yet supportive. As the name says, it's got a little ruching in the front. That's what that is, ladies and gentlemen, a little ruching. Got a little tie here so you can make it more ruched if you like. And it has ruching in the back too. This set is really good for just like lounging around the house. You could even sleep in it. So look guys, I'll show you, it's adjustable, look. Whoa! So you can wear it however you want, you know, whatever you like. And I love how this is just high-waisted, so it's very snug and comfortable and covers you up. You know what this set reminds me of? Those old bathing suits from like 1954. They were cute, but so risque for the age. So this is definitely one of my favorites for lounging around the house right now, playing Animal Crossing. But I always have to cover up when Tom Nook comes around, because you know he's a little shady. Oh, Thomas Nookington, you card. Okay, let's see what's next in the comfy cozy set. What are my arms doing right now? Why do I look like a velociraptor? Yes, this is what I'm talking about, ladies. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is the Forever Savage bralette and the high leg bikini. You know we love that high leg, man. You can really see the hot dog leg in this one. This is one of my favorite sets because I feel like it's super flattering, but it's also very comfortable. And this is also my favorite thing to wear under the Savage MGMT jumpsuit. My favorite part about these sets is the band. This band right here. This one and this one. Because it always has a really cute design, but it's also very snug. So it really holds you in, you know? Ow! Just kidding, that didn't hurt. Felt kind of good, actually. Okay, let's stop playing and put on the jumpsuit. I'll be right back. Okay, this is my favorite thing. I'm sorry, I have a lot of favorite things. Everything's so cute. I swear to God, every time Savage X Fenty sends me one of these jumpsuits, I cry. I cry tears of joy because they're so comfortable. Oh my god. This is in the size extra small. It has pockets, which we love. Zips up and down for sexiness or no sexiness, depending on your mood. And it also, of course, comes with a hood if I can get all my hair in here. Oh my god. Black people problems. That looks stupid. Get in there, hair. Come on. All right, slightly better. It's so comfortable that you can fall asleep in it. Perfect to take a nap in. And it's also really cute. And the man in your life would like it as well. What am I doing right now? What is this? Am I in a Broadway show? But I always like to have the zipper halfway, you know? Just a little sexy, but not too much, you know? We're still casual. We're still keeping it cool. Oh yeah. This one's really cute. I should send one of these to my Korean boyfriend so we can match. Couple outfits. Okay. Now y'all know I'm gonna be wearing this one all day. I'm not changing out of this one. That's why I saved it for last, so I don't gotta change. Did one of you guys order me my hot dog yet? Yeah, I want onions, relish, mustard, and ketchup. Thank you. So hard to find good help. And that's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget to go click the link down in the description if you want to pick anything up that I showed you guys today. Let me know what you thought of the pieces down in the comments below. Which one is your favorite? And I'll see you guys in the next video, which is gonna be in 2 seconds, because you're just gonna click one of these. And don't forget that I love ya so much.